Hi guys, I'm here with a very quick tutorial hack tip, something very simple that a lot of people probably already know, but I thought I'd mention it anyways. What it's for is your first row of your project after the chain. So usually, here, let's do the quick chain. So here's my chain, very short, just real quick. So usually what people do for the first row, let's say we're doing single crochets, so you would usually go in kind of a back loop of your chain. I think a lot of people do that, and there's nothing wrong with that. So you have your first row, and the top looks very pretty. You have the little V's. It looks nice and neat, but the bottom maybe doesn't look as good. It's not too bad, you know, like I said, a lot of people do it this way and it's not a big deal. But, you know, you can make it so the bottom looks the same way as the top. So once you have your chain, instead of going into the back loop, what you want to do is you want to go into that back little bump on the back of the chain. Also, to make it easier to control the tension for the first row, it's always a good idea to take a bigger hook for your chains. And then once you start your first row, you can go back to the side that's you're going to be using for the rest of the project. Okay, so we're going right there. Okay, and then you just crochet as usual. So there you have it. Looks the same, a row single crochets, but the bottom looks a lot nicer. Very easy, nothing complicated, but I think it makes a difference. So I hope you didn't know this before and you can use it on your next project. Thanks.